Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and I am so excited for today's video because today's video is focused around red lips, which are my all-time favorite lip shade to ever wear. I wanted to make a video for you guys of my go-to makeup look when I do want to wear red lips, and this is the makeup look that I always wear, and I absolutely love the way that it looks together with the red lips and all of that. But that being said, you can wear red lips with literally any makeup look that you want to. There are no rules in makeup, so if you want to wear like yellow eyeshadow, go ahead and pair it with a red lip. It literally does not matter. But this is just kind of like my go-to makeup look when I do want to wear red lips. So I really hope you guys enjoy this video, and if you want to see how I achieved this makeup look, then just go ahead and keep on watching. So I already went ahead and primed my eyelids and set them and everything like that. So now we are just going to hop right into the eyeshadow. And so I feel like I've literally done this look on my channel, like a brown neutral look on my channel literally a million times, but this is just the look that I typically wear when I do wear red lips. But I do have a new product that I want to share with you guys that is literally a game changer, but I'm going to share it with you guys in a little bit later once we kind of get to the final steps of the eyeshadow. For eyeshadow today, I'm going to be using the Natasha Denona Mini Star Palette, and you can honestly use whichever neutral toned eyeshadow palette that you have. So I'm just going to start off with this light brown matte shade in the Mini Star palette, and I'm just going to start applying this to my crease. So now that that light brown shade is all blended out throughout the crease, I'm going to pick up the dark brown matte shade in this palette, and I'm going to focus this more so on the outer corners and then making sure to blend it. And I do like to do my eyeshadow first before my face makeup, so I can kind of extend it out and then kind of clean it up with a makeup wipe at the end. So don't be alarmed if like I have eyeshadow look like all the way out here, because we will clean that up at the end. And I'm going to make sure to kind of blend that shade down far, because I want to make sure when I do my lower lash line I'll be able to connect the top and lower lash line together. So this eyeshadow look is very simple. We are already all done with the matte shades. So now this is literally the game changer in the entire beauty community. This is literally the best product I have discovered so far. It is so good. I used the pink one in my New Year's resolutions video, I believe. So this is from JCat Beauty, and this is the Prism Metal Chrome Eye Mousses. So amazing, literally so beautiful. And I have the shade Chrome Galaxy, and it's just this like really gorgeous gold shade, literally so beautiful. So I'm going to apply this pretty much all over the lid. So now that the gold is all over, I'm going to go back in with the Natasha Denona palette, and I'm just going to run this light brown shade through my crease, and then also the dark brown shade kind of on the outer V, just to make sure that everything is just blended and just kind of connected together. So that is what I'm going to go ahead and do next. We are done with the eyeshadow, and we'll finish off the lower lash line once the face makeup is on. And then for mascara today, I'm going to be using the L'Oreal Paris Voluminous Original Mascara. So the eyes are done for now, so now we're just going to go ahead and move on to the face. So for primer today, I'm going to be using my Touch in Sol No Problem Primer. Is on, and now we're going to go ahead and move on to foundation. So for foundation today, I'm going to be using this one from Physicians Formula, and this is the Healthy Foundation, and I'm in the shade LC1. So I'm just going to go ahead and apply this foundation. And guys, this foundation, it literally smells like maple syrup. Like, I'm not even kidding. Like, when I first used it, because I used this in my full face of first impressions, and I just kept smelling maple syrup, and I think it's just the foundation. Like, sometimes it smells like paint thinner, but also it just really smells like maple syrup. It's like the weirdest thing ever, and I don't understand why. I have actually been really enjoying this foundation. I liked it in my full face of first impressions. I don't think I like it more though than my Makeup Revolution foundation. I still think that foundation is better than this one, but I still think that this Physicians Formula foundation is good. It's definitely more medium coverage, where I feel like my Makeup Revolution I can build up to full coverage, and like that's kind of what I prefer. So now we're going to go ahead and move on to concealer. And so for concealer today, I will be using my Maybelline Fit Me Concealer. So for powder, it is no surprise I'm going to be picking up my Maybelline Loose Finishing Powder and just powdering up my face. Now moving on to bronzer, I'm going to be using my ColourPop Pressed Powdered Face, and this is in the shade Private Party. So I'm just going to go ahead and bronze up my skin. So now we're going to go ahead and move on to blush, and for blush today I'm going to be using this one from Milani, and this is in the shade Tea Rose, and I never really use this, but it is just so beautiful. Like, look how stunning the packaging is on this blush. So I'm just going to go ahead and apply a light amount of this. So now moving on to highlight, I am going to pick up my Anastasia Beverly Hills highlight in the shade Amrezy, and I thought this would be a good highlight because it is more golden toned, so it'll be good and match with the gold all over the lid shade that we used. So I'm just going to go ahead and apply this, and again with the packaging on this, like how you kind of have this like ripple effect is just so beautiful. But I love when companies go above and beyond with packaging. Not only is like the packaging itself is good, but like also the product has like a unique feature to it, so love that. So I'm just going to go ahead and apply some highlight. So now that the face is all done, we are going to move on to finish off the lower lash line. I'm going to go back in with my Natasha Denona Mini Star Palette, and I'm going to pick up this light brown matte shade right here, and I'm just going to go ahead and run that along my lower lash line, but also making sure to connect it with the top part of my eyeshadow just to make sure everything is very cohesive in this eye look. So now to darken up the lower lash line, I'm just going to take the smallest amount of this dark matte brown shade, and I'm just going to focus this more so on the outer corners. I just want to kind of darken up the look a little bit, but not too much. So now I'm going to go ahead and do my eyebrows before we finish off the like inner corner and brow bone. So I'm going to pick up my e.l.f. brow pencil, and I'm just going to go ahead and fill in my brows. To highlight my inner corner and then also my brow bone, I'm going to go back into the Natasha Denona palette, and I'm going to pick up this gold shimmer shade right here, and I am just going to apply that to my inner corner and then also my brow bone. Moving on to my lower lash mascara, I'm going to pick up the Benefit Bad Gal Bang Mascara. This is another product I tested out in my first impressions, and I have yet to use it again on my top lashes, but I do really like it for my lower lashes. So this is the mascara that I am going to go in with. So before we go in with the red lips, which is like the star of the show, I'm going to go ahead and set all of my face makeup. So I am currently all out of all my setting sprays, so I'm going to just go in with a Mario Badescu facial spray. I don't really know if this is technically like a setting spray, but I kind of use it as one, so I'm going to go ahead and spray this. So now we are going to go in with the red lips, which is literally my signature lip color. So I have tried so many red lips out there because I feel like I just keep buying red lips because they're literally my favorite lip shade to wear, but I have not found one really that I like better than the Kylie Cosmetics lip kit. And the reason why I like this so much is it does come with a lip liner and then also the liquid lip, and this is in the shade Mary Jo K. So I'm going to go ahead and apply this. This is the finished makeup look, and I absolutely love the way this looks. I just feel so good and so confident in a red lip, which is so crazy because I know red lips are something that a lot of people kind of stray away from and feel like it's almost like too bold to wear, but I love it so much. I really hope I have inspired you guys to wear a red lip. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, make sure to subscribe to my channel. I do post videos 3 times a week, every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, so definitely don't want to miss out on all my future uploads. And also make sure to go ahead and follow me on Instagram and Twitter and all my social medias. They are always listed down below, so you guys can go ahead and check them out. So yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!